Arachibutyrophobia is a term describing an uncommon yet fascinating fear, the fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of one's mouth. This peculiar phobia might stem from past negative experiences related to sticky substances, leading to an irrational apprehension. Interestingly, it illustrates how food, often associated with comfort, can become a source of anxiety for some individuals. Those affected might avoid peanut butter altogether, impacting their dietary choices and social experiences. Understanding these fears contributes to the broader field of psychology, highlighting the complexities of human behavior and our relationship with food.